Yesterday, gold created a bullish candle where the prices tried to make a bullish breakout above this confluence of resistance at 2653.45. If you take a look yesterday on the 4-hour time frame, yesterday the price has gone down. We can see that it was a bearish momentum, and there was a bearish breakout here with this bearish candle below 2634.86 with the target here at 2618.75. And this bearish breakout has been shared inside the premium analysis with traders with the target here, which was a successful one yesterday. From here the price has bounced, which is a daily support level, and it has risen all the way to the first resistance level here. Here was the first support level, and this was the resistance level, and it is currently a confluence of resistance where we can see that the price has reached 2662.90 and it has bounced back down. Currently it is at 2647.18 where the price is formed in decision candles, which means indecision in the market, where we are waiting for the price to make a bullish or bearish breakout, which will define where the price could go. Now we can see it is very hard for the price to make a bullish breakout above this confluence of resistance. So for now I'm waiting outside to see how the price will behave around this area. Will the price make a bearish breakout going down again to around this area, which is 2635, or more precisely 2634.86, which is a very important support level. We can see that from yesterday, and above that it is 2662.90. It is also a very important resistance level. So when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout above these levels, which is on the 1-hour time frame here and on the support level here, so we need to find and also wait outside of the market to see how the price will behave. I have expected yesterday the price could continue to move down. I was more inclined to see that, but we are currently having a bullish candle, which is currently cancelling my yesterday idea about seeing the price going further to the first support level. But we'll see on the lower time frame how the price will behave around this confluence of resistance. So for now, waiting outside and also sharing the details with the traders when there is a bullish or bearish breakout inside the premium analysis. So if you would like to join, feel free to check the link below. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.